Hey everybody. Today we got a little wiper replacement project on a 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. I'm going to be putting these Rain-X wipers on. I have an 18-inch and I have a 24-inch. The 24-inch goes on the driver's side. The 18-inch goes on the passenger side. I'm going to open these up, check it out. Now the last time I did this a few years ago, I think I had trouble getting them to clip on for some reason. And I'm not sure why I had that trouble, but it might be the kind of attachment it is. But I'm going to zoom you in here real quick to take a look at this. Okay. I want to get a good look at that right there. There's like a little clip on this, and there's a matching clip on that as well. These look a little longer than what's on here by maybe an inch. But it says it's supposed to be the right ones. Let's put the other one in place and make sure. Although the clip does look very familiar to me, the way it goes. This is a 24-inch blade. That size sounds very familiar to me. This one's right on the money. It's right on the money. Let's start work on this one over here. I'm not sure exactly if I can remember how it should come undone, but I'm going to try to give it a best shot that I can. All right. There's a hook. There's a hook in here that, as you can see, is supposed to go up in there and snap down. Let's see exactly what happens here with this anyway. Oh, that just comes off like that. That's all it is. And it goes on that little hook and snaps in. See? I wonder if this comes apart or anything. I'm going to pull this forward. Not sure really what I'm expecting here. Maybe I come up underneath here. Let's see if I come up underneath. Nah, that's not ringing a bell there for me. And that's not ringing a bell here when I look at this the way this is. Maybe this actually comes off of here. Let's take a look. Maybe this, something about this, something I remember here. Somehow this maybe slides off, if I'm remembering correctly. Yeah, it's got some give to it. Because a lot of times when they make these things, they're made for many different size products. Yeah, that's coming off. Let's see what happens when this is off of here. If it looks any different. Yeah, it does seem to look a little different. Yeah, that does look a little bit different now. So let's see if that's going to make a difference. No. Now maybe this has to come off of here somehow. Yeah, this blue thing also comes off. And maybe that, now maybe that will go in like that. You see what I've done here, right? Yeah, and that's sliding, that's just sliding on the end there right now. That clipped in, that's not going anywhere. Then it's just snapping that in place. And that blade is now on there. Okay? You see what I did? I had to take off 2 pieces. Let's go prep the other side now. It's always easier to do the second one after you've done the first one. So on this one here, you fold this clip down at the top. You unpeel it like that. And then this falls right away. Very simple. Very easy. Okay? And then on the actual wiper itself, we have to take this cover off. This cover has to come off. So we have to kind of finesse that out of there. Okay? Somehow we have to finesse this backwards. We're going to work this backwards a little bit off of the housing that it's on. This is like a step at a time. It's just a little finicky that you have to deal with this. But we'll get it. Right, we've got that piece off, and then there's a blue piece is going to come off as well. Okay, and with that blue piece off, this is just going to slide right over that blade housing for us. And then we'll be done. A little bit of wind just blew that away for me. So now I'm going to put this up on here. This is going to slide right over that housing, and then we're going to hear it snap and click in. You may not hear it snap, but it's definitely going to. So it's going to go over the top like this. Okay, right in here. Right, sliding on. And when it gets down to here, it's going to snap in. Hear it snap? And then when it snaps, you're just going to close that up. Okay, and that is installed. So once you get the hang of it, it's really not a super big deal. So at this point here, I'm going to give the windshield a wipe off. Now I'm just going to clean up the lower windshield where any dirt might be for that blade, so that blade doesn't sit in any dirt. All right, and then we're going to peel this yellow protective coating off of here. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to put that down in place where it belongs. We're going to do the other side. That's just to get any sand off of the blades. And now we'll just peel that yellow coating off of here. And that is how you change the wiper blades on a Lincoln Nautilus. This one happens to be a 2019, but I'm pretty much sure that they're all going to be the same. Thanks for watching.